What it do, guys? Welcome back to one of the daily videos. Today we actually will be working with LASFiT. I wasn't open the package, but my dad did get nosy, so here you go. Check it out and let's see what's in it. This is the package right here. A little menu right here and another menu right here. These are it. These are actually the H7s LED bulbs for the C300. I'm pretty sure these are the same as the low beam and the high beam, but this is it. See? Let me take one out real quick. These are like plug and play. Just take it out, plug it in. Look at that. This package looks really good. Very professional. So one thing about my daily, my headlights suck. If anybody knows or been in my car or has driven my daily, they all know they suck. So I'm happy that LASFiT sent me these. These things are actually pretty bright, as what they're saying. And my reverse lights, if I don't know if you guys checked the last video with them, they're really bright. So I'm hoping these are stupid bright because I really need them. But let's go ahead and go. That you want to get is right back here. I'm gonna try to set you up somewhere right here so you guys can see. Alright, this is the first time I ever changed them on these, but so far you take this off. Then you can see here there's a clip. You want to take that clip. Let me see if I can zoom in or focus. It doesn't want to. But there's a clip right here. You want to take it off. And that's what holds everything else in. Then you disconnect right here. Then you want to grab one of these. Yeah, can you go turn on the car real quick, please? Just turn it on. I'll tell you when. You always want to plug it in, see if it works. And hold on. You always want to test just in case that works, just in case it doesn't turn on. Don't panic, just flip the switch and then try it on and it'll go back on. Once you're done tested, you just put it back in here. Put it back in there, put the clip. It's right over here. I unplugged it so I had better room. Now I'm gonna make a hole on this and it should be good to go, and then we'll test it one more time. Quick moment of truth. Let's go try. Turn on the car. Check it out. Now we'll just wait until it's a little bit darker and we'll go test it out real quick.
I gotta say, stay away from the fake. I just told that bitch to give me face, get out my place. We got on revenge, you shot by pillars day to day. Make $250,000 in a month, ain't got the date. I just wanna feed my family like every day.